Alright, so here is the third problem on the first page, aka number 2, aka whatever you want it to be. So, we are given that we have E, F, G, H is a parallelogram, and we have A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and we're asked to find X and Y, and we have these. So I am concerned, I asked you to find X and I asked you to find the perimeter. So first off, make sure you know what perimeter means, I know. So make sure that you understand that you're going to have to add all the four sides together. So let me take these and let me label these sides, and then I'll take into account this, and then we'll try to do some algebra here. Alright? So first off, we have DC is x squared plus 5x minus 2. And we know AB at the bottom is x squared plus 3x plus 10. And this one over here is 5x plus 26. Okay? And since we are told ABCD is a parallelogram, and that's all we're dealing with, we know that AB is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side. So if we set this equation congruent to equal to this equation, we can solve for x. And then no matter where we plug in x, we're still going to get the length of AB, we'll get the length of DC, we'll get the length of BC. It doesn't matter which expression we plug it into, as long as you recognize that DC and AB will give you the same, and AD and BC will be the same. So you're going to have two different expressions here. Maybe it'll all be the same. We'll find out. So first off, we need to set the two sides equal to one another. So that would be x squared plus 5x minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 10. So please recognize that there's nothing to set 5x plus 26 equal to. Okay, so we can't do anything with this one. We just have to sit back and solve the x's here. So when I first looked at this, I originally thought that I was going to need to do some factoring and some big old Algebra 1 stuff. But then I realized that we're setting them equal to each other. So the first thing I recognize is I can get rid of the x squares. Let's go ahead and do that so that it makes it look a little bit better for us. We know those cancel. So we're left with 5x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 10. That makes our lives 10 times easier. Now from here, I don't care how you solve it, I just need you to solve it and get that x is 6. If you need another way to solve it, I can show you real fast. So you got 2x minus 2 is equal to 10. Oops, sorry. Hopefully I have lead. Okay. There we go. Okay. Is equal to 10. I'm running out of room, so we're just going to leave it at that. So we know x here is 6. So if we go in and we plug in here, so 5 times 6 plus 26, so that'd be 30 plus 26 is 56. So we know this side is 56 feet, and we know this side is 56 feet. Okay. Now up here we have 6 squared plus 5 times 6 minus 2, so that would be 36 plus 30 minus 2, so that should be 66 minus 2, which should be 64. And this side is also equal to 64. There's no sense in redoing this one because of the properties of a parallelogram. So down here, the perimeter, you should add 56 plus 56 plus 64 plus 64. And bada bing, bada boom, we will get our answer. Now, if you came up with your perimeter a different way, if you came up with what x is a different way, that is just fine. However, this is just how I do it. It's just one way to look at it. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. All right, good luck.